Can you hear that? It's still raining until now, from yesterday. You see the birds? They're flying.